Howdy, y'all. Let's do lesson 2, shall we? We're going to talk about sketching graphs of linear inequalities. Super fun. A solution of an inequality is a value that makes the inequality true. And inequalities can have more than one solution. Actually, most of them have lots and lots and infinitely many solutions. The set of all the solutions of inequality is called the solution set. So we're gonna test some x values on this inequality and find out if they're solutions by determining if the inequality becomes true once we put that x value in. Notice we can't say that if this is true or false until we put an x value in there. So let's start with the x value, a -6. So I'm going to plug a -6 in for x. So -6 plus 5, is that greater than or equal to -2? Let's see, -6 plus 5 is -1. Is -1 greater than or equal to -2? Well, if I need a visual, and I usually do, a number line is a good one because the numbers, as you go to the right, those numbers get greater, they get bigger, and as you go to the left, the numbers get smaller, so these are less. So -1 is here, and -2 is here. So since -1 is to the right, it's towards the greater sign, so -1 is greater than -2. So does that fall under greater than or equal to? Yes, it is greater than, so it's also greater than or equal to. So that baby is true. So -6 is a solution. What about -7? Is -7 a solution? Let's plug it in and find out. Plug a -7 in for x. -7 plus 5 is greater than or equal to -2. -7 plus 5 is -2. Is -2 greater than or equal to -2? Well, it's not greater than -2, but it is equal to -2. So this is true. -2 is greater than or equal to -2 because it is equal to -2. So -7 is a solution to this inequality. What about -8? Interesting. I'm going to plug in a -8 for x. -8 plus 5 is -3. -3 is not greater than or equal to -2. It's actually less than -2. So that is not true. And hence, -8 is not a solution to the inequality x plus 5 is greater than or equal to -2. Cool, huh? So the diagonal line through there means it's not that. Cool. All right, let's check whether -4 is a solution of each inequality. So for a, x plus 8 is less than -3. We shall plug in -4 for x and find out. So -4 plus 8 is less than -3. Question mark, is it? -4 plus 8, see there's more positives. I got a +8 and a -4, so my leftovers are going to be positive. 8 minus 4 is 4, so this is +4. -4 plus 8 is +4. Is that less than -3? Heck no, it's not less than -3. So -4 is totes not a solution to this inequality. What about this one? Let's plug it in and find out. -4.5x is greater than -21, so that means -4.5 times x, and we're going to plug in a -4 for x, is greater than -21. Is that true? Well, let's see. Negative times a negative is positive. Let's see, 4.5 times 4 is 18. So that's positive 18. Is that greater than -21? Heck to the yeah! All right. Well, good job. You're a winner. You're a good person. And you smell good. Have a good day.